They say a cluttered desk means a cluttered mind.
Hey there, fellow desk warrior. Are you tired of fighting a never-ending battle against the crowded workspace? Tools sprawling across your desk, leaving you with no room to breathe, and it is very suffocating. Well, fear not, my friend, because I have a revolutionary solution that will give you more space to crave. So allow me to introduce to you the Expansionist, a game changer that will expand your tabletop area like his superhero powers, just like Batman or Superman. So first impression matters. So this is my tabletop. You see, table is fully cluttered with all the tools sprawling. I know I kind of little bit exaggerated this thing because my tools are quite organized, but just to showcase to you, this is how average person's table look. And boom, now you see tabletop is fully cleared. So you might be wondering where all the tools are gone, and also tools are not organized on the tabletop. So where are they gone? Let's find out. So this is the Expansionist. Yeah, I know this sounds quite authoritarian, but I love the name, so I can't do anything. Quite a good name. What do you think? So Expansionist is a clever desk organizer that will help you to make the most of your desk space. It's designed to hang on the side of the table, giving you the extra room to keep your tool and supplies easily accessible. So here's how it works. Expansionist consists of a set of hooks and a base plate. You can attach the base plate to the side of the table using screw or double-sided tape, but I don't really recommend using a double-sided tape because it may not have a strong hold, so go with the screws. So the hook fit into the slot of the base plate, allowing you to hang the different tools and objects on it. Once you have set it up, you can start organizing your tools. Simply slide down the hook into the base plate and hang your items on them. It could be screwdriver, wrench, plier, Allen keys, scrapers, caliper, or anything you need within the reach while you work. The beauty of Expansionist is that it keeps your tools secure and prevent them from cluttering your workspace. Strike a balance between a functionality and stability, so you don't have to worry about your tools falling or getting lost. You can even design and 3D print your own custom hook to fit your specific needs. By using Expansion, it will create more space on your desktop from thin air.
Air too thin.
And you're able to keep your tool organized and easily accessible. It is simple and effective solution to declutter your workspace and improve your productivity. Well, it quite sounded like an ad. But anyways, as you know, Expansionist is awesome, but here's a catch. As you know, there's no community around it. But hold on, don't worry, this is where you come in. So I'm opening the doors for you to jump in and create your own design. Yep, it is open source. So I'll be sharing the design file for free on Cults 3D, printable, as well as on Thingiverse. So you can download them and let your creativity run wild, come up with a block hook design for different tools and objects. The only thing I want in return is to just give a shout out to the source, it means this channel, because it will help me to grow this channel and keep the ideas flowing. But still, we need something until it becomes bigger, and also my filament saving instinct kick in. So I did something amazing when I saw my screwdriver bits organizer, which is Gridfinity. Then I had an idea. What if I combine Expansionist and Gridfinity? That's when I designed this, the Expansionist block with Gridfinity base plate to hold this, a Gridfinity screwdriver bits organizer. And this worked pretty amazing, and it is strong, sturdy, and won't fall off. Now you can see before, fully cluttered, completely disorganized. Now after, it is pretty well organized, and I have more tabletop space to work and can put my regular tools which I use regularly on the side of the table. And this is not only for the table, you can put it anywhere like walls or any furniture according to your needs. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. And don't forget to give the shout out when you design something really incredible with this base model. Thank you.